So anyway, we're here at Harley Davidson. We're gonna do a meet and greet between 10 and 12. New Apex color set here. Check it out.
Well, bring them over. Tattoos are footprint. You'll see on.
So let me show you guys another thing. Harley Davidson is having their 120 year anniversary. Can you imagine? At in Milwaukee, right there, July 13 to the 16th, 2023. Hopefully we can make that. That'd be pretty cool.
Canadian Vet 031.
Awesome. Veteran?
Yep.
Thank you for your service. And you?
Oh, you too?
And you?
Thank you, bro.
These two?
No, we're just dumbass.
We're truck drivers.
All right, thanks anyway. We got the military biker in the building. Finally meeting. Oh my God. What? Only through phone? And TV?
Yeah.
We got Marine Rider. What's up, brother? He lives close. I think we're gonna get together probably on a ride.
Right?
Gettysburg, Lancaster, Gettysburg. That was a hot one.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
we
my.
worked that temp before the game.
I sweat through my cut that day. So what's new?
Same old, same old. It's first time to Sturgis.
Right.
I did trailer around. I'm a trailer queen officially.
Nah, it's okay. It's okay. We don't believe in that. Whatever you got to do to get a place.
But we work Gettysburg Bike Week, and of course we're the host chapter for that. For CVMA Combat Vets I ride with, and we're out in vets helping vets.
Yeah, awesome, man. That's fantastic. That's fantastic. So what's new with you?
What's new with me is sweating, tired.
Right, oh,
and,
yeah.
I'm fucking hungover for 2 days.
If you guys are wondering, they're staying at the Chip. That's why.
If you like your sleep, do not stay at the Buffalo Chip. Fuck, man. You're not going to sleep.
Highly recommend.
You're going to be drunk 21 hours a day.
Our police skills demonstration coming up right now.
Well, listen, check out their channels. Obviously, if you're probably watching. If not, check their channels out. Hopefully, maybe we could ride with you guys later. We'll see. But if not, make sure you check these guys out. And they're veterans. Come on, right? That's the main thing. The veterans. So we just left the meet and greet. We dropped the bikes off, and unfortunately, for some reason, Uber is not working right now. They're not picking up anybody in this area. So now me and Glenn actually gotta walk. I'm gonna try walking a couple blocks away and then trying it again. It's like 100 out here too. Jack Daniels, number 7. Sturgis Main Street, loaded with bikes. We'll put you in on the video. Where are you from? What's your name?
Mass.
Mass.
Boston.
Nice.
Massachusetts.
Nice.
Arlene and Ben Souza.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
If you didn't know, my daughter will be attending Boston University this year.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah,
Good for her.
taking her in September, so
Excellent.
she'll be part of the Boston family.
All right.
Great to meet you. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. Bikes everywhere, and I mean everywhere. Whether it's even 100, 150 miles from here, bikes everywhere. It's amazing. So there's no Ubers around here, so this is what showed up.
Through the ditch, through the fence, up over the yard.
So tractor trailer went through a house here. What is this, I-90?
Yep.
On I-90, check it out. The brown house? Yep, that's a total loss. For you guys that don't know, Legend Suspension, when I kind of first started this motorcycle journey on Cycle Fanatix, little over 2 years ago, Legend Suspension was, I think, the first company that actually supported Cycle Fanatix. So I just wanted to come by, talk to Mary over here. Just wanted to come by and say thank you. I greatly appreciate Legend Suspension. Their products are excellent. I never had an issue with their products over the 2 years I've been using them, and we put on over 20,000 miles just on this bike alone. Anyway, their customer support is fantastic. Products are great. and the company's great. And I just wanted to say thank you so much. Appreciate you guys.
We're on Vanocker Canyon Road going to Nemo.
Yeah, I got one.
Right down.
He's coming. It's too new. I can't figure it out, man.
I got a strong battery in there.
Okay, they're gonna move that bike and they're gonna direct traffic. We're gonna go through, so.
You meet people in weird places. I see you on TikTok all the time.
Yeah. Where are you guys from? Where are you guys out
South
of?
Carolina.
South Carolina?
Yeah.
Brother,
Yeah, I
thank you.
see you talking about the motorcycle all the
Thank
time.
you so much. Yeah, close. Full pack. Full pack.
Thank you,
brother. Appreciate it,
man.
man.
Thank y'all for stopping.
Absolutely. Of course.
Thank y'all.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Go slow. Be safe, guys. Thanks, brother. Thank you. That's why you guys gotta go slow, because you don't know what's around the corner. And that poor gentleman came around the corner and somebody, some way must have spilled that gravel or pushed that gravel into the side of the road. And he came around that turn and hit that gravel and he wiped out and his whole arm is tore up. Thank God he didn't break anything. That's the main thing, and he actually rode off. So make sure you guys go slow. There's no, it's no funny business, you know, going around these corners. They're all blind turns. You don't know what's around the turn.